Hello everyone, welcome to Earth Technology. Myself Ritesh, I am a sales head of Earth Technology. Uh, we are a startup in this IT service provider group, and we started with three engineers with two backend supports, so total team of five. We are working into this market. So basically, Earth Technology is an IT solution provider group. We have several segments under us. From start to end, we are delivering the different projects based on the IT field. You might be knowing the IT is a huge background. IT, whenever you go, where you go, now IT follows you very drastically. So we are dedicated ourselves into the consulting. Anything into the consulting, we are there. Anything implementation of a new technology, we are there. Uh, just I will give a short introduction about ourselves. Arch Technology is an IT infrastructure service provider group with a clear focus on performance and the growth. So, what do you mean by performance and the growth? It is basically the performance of a client and their clients. So, our client and their client is our parent client. Yes, it is a very, I know it is a very complex statement, but it is true. If your client is happy, you will be the happy, and you will be the happy, we will be the happy. So, the 24 hours instant support techniques through the various techniques like remote controlling, uh, two or three weekly visits, that kind of a AMC structure we follow. We operate through various techniques of administration. In the IT, there are two segments. One is the networking, and one is to handling that network. There should be an administration. So we are the administrator. Just go through the slide. There are different types of administration techniques I have mentioned. Network administration, Windows Server administration, Linux Server administration, storage administration, system administration, firewall administration. This is the most important technique nowadays, because every data has their own value. So no one want to lose the data. So the firewall administration is very crucial thing in now for the day-to-day activity. So we are most focused and most our company is most goal oriented company into the firewall administration. Surveillance administration, you might be knowing the CCTV surveillance, remote desktop surveillance, everything, every segment we are covering. Second last is a cloud administration, AWS and many cloud techniques. The virtual data administration, you can think, uh, is very crucial thing nowadays, and we are have the hands-on experience on all about the administration processes. Last one is ERP administration. We are doing the great in this segment. So, like to know that network administration, Windows Server and Linux Server administrations are the common branches, and everybody is doing a same part of a business in these segments. But what makes us different is we are giving you a good firewall administration, we are giving you a good cloud administration, and we are giving you a best in class ERP administration. Okay, so we are everywhere you are seeing on the screen. You can follow us on Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter. We are repeatedly putting our videos on YouTube. This is our on the bottom of side, middle of the side, at bottom level you can see our website, that is www.arshtechnology.com. We when we are planning to start organization, we are just thinking is like everywhere is same concept, networking, the Windows server, the Linux, the storage, everything is same. But to give the best solutions, because you might be heard from anyone that IT services are really going bigger and bigger, and they are changing their level of segregation to the, if you ask me, the Windows, when I started working on the Windows, that is Windows 98. Now the Windows 10, Windows 11 is the running Windows. So means in 20 years that 11 versions have been changed. So whenever there is a change in any type of a software, any type of a software solution, the your IT infrastructure need to be strong. Okay, if your IT infrastructure services are weak, there are many chances of loss of your data. Many miscommunication can be happen within your circle. Okay, so for all these, we thought to start one good company, good organization with the expertise solution. We have a good team, as I already told you, with the 5 numbers. Within it, the technical person in our company, or you can say the technical director of our company, Mr. Atish Barate, is very strong into their technical skills. Whatever you ask your problem, that hey Atish, if I go to Atish with any complex project, Atish will say, yeah, yes, come to me. Within one day, I will get different solutions with a different cost perspective. So this is how we are strong. We have different solutions. Okay. So this is my sales ID. For any new inquiries or any new development, just mail me your contact number, your organization details on sales@arshtechnology.com. Okay, so this is our generic introduction. This is my WhatsApp number or my cellular number. You can call anytime. Sure. So we'll go to next slide. Here you might be seeing on your screen that there is one question: how to get our office online? What is the current situation? Everyone is panic in this COVID situation. Many big IT companies already told their 70% of a workforce to be safe at home and work online. Okay, so this concept will be developed very soon and very faster than the previous. So we already developed many techniques in the remote monitoring of your workforce, and very good solution that surely can enhance your productivity and decrease your cost of expenditure. Yes, you means a lot. You might be know what I want to what I want to talk to you, that if you are working with the 2 flats of office, surely if you can sell out 1 flat of your office, and just with the 50% of a workforce, you can easily start saving your rent to that office. So this is actually as a financial part. I don't go into that deep. Our today's main motto is to elaborate to you what exactly online office solution is. how to get our office online. That is the main question of everybody life. Okay, how can I monitor my manager? Okay, I want to appoint them tasks. If there is a no face-to-face discussion, what shall I do? I need my manager every after half an hour in my cabin. So what is their solution? Yes, don't worry, everything is perfect here. We are coming with every solutions that Office comes with. Just this presentation is to give you the smart introduction about this concept. This is a not I know this is a not a new concept in the market, but surely with this presentation you will get clarified most of your doubts, I'm for the sure. So let's start. So many customers coming to me that Ritesh, I want to change my office setup. There is only one server room. I want everybody to give the work on daily basis, give the task on daily basis, and I should be alert. Like if someone is giving me the task, okay, so I should be ready to complete it with the timeline. Yes, so it is possible. If I passed any project to my colleague, I already told him that this is a 8 hour of a timeline and you should complete within 8 hours. So to monitoring what your colleague or what your staff is doing at this stage, we have a solution. So that solution in deeper ways we can discuss on project wise. So to start with a generic introduction, I would like to tell you about the setup of a VPN. So there are two techniques. One is a VPN technique and other is a remote control technique, which is not useful and data might get corrupt in this remote monitoring technique. It is a very risky technique. So we are promoting VPN technique to our various clients and they are very happy with our setup of a VPN technique. There are 5 basic steps to setting up a VPN. First, only 5 simple steps. There is no any complex steps are been involved, but the people are thinking that it is a complex structure. It requires lots of efforts to handle and it requires lots of technical guides to get corrected. No, it is a totally wrong concept. Just if you have any project, just let us know. We will just go through all the details. We will provide you the best, cost-effective and productive solution. Okay, so for that, to install the VPN in your system, there are 5 main steps. First one is get a router appropriate for your needs. Check to ensure your hardware router meets the following requirements. Okay, so before planning any router, we are also providing accessory support to our client. Okay, but we will ensure that whatever you buy for the one time, and it will it always gives you result for many years after. Okay, so the router must have wired and wireless connectivity. Okay, so they should have both. Wireless is not useful many times. Wired should be useful if you have to working within the office, and wireless is useful if you have to work on the remote location. It must have a virtual private network functionality built in. Okay. Third one is it must support up to 10 workstations. So one router you buy, it is a costly things. It is not that cheap things that like you buying a mouse or you might buying a keyboard. So at least your router can support 10 workstations. For organization that do not have a correct router, if you do not have a list of a correct router, if you look after the correct router. Just search on the Google the best router in 2020. You'll get a number of lists. Just refer to us, which I will tell you which router is good, which router is bad, and accordingly we have to proceed. Okay. Yes, depends on your cost. The router selection is varied, but we suggest you the best in class solutions, so don't worry about that part. Second thing, use the quick start wizard guide to set up. So this is the second step now. Most wireless VPN enables router come with an option of using a setup wizard guide. This guide takes you through the entire process of physically plugging your cables, setting up the wireless network, and connecting the internet. Since setting up a VPN-enabled wireless router is more complicated, all vendors usually provide a step-by-step soft copy manual, like in PDF format, with the product CD when purchasing a router. Okay, so these two are the technical things. We will provide you everything. Yes, you don't need to worry about this part. Choose security setting. This step is most crucial step in every remote control access process. So if you talk about, we are talking about here or the VPN level, VPN is most secured process than any other processes for the remote accessing your workstations. So for that, the security matters the most. For the security, an important part of the setup process is to ensure the highest level of security. Everyone wants everyone wants a higher level of security, but everyone don't want to change the password continuously. So for that, we are there. We took a AMC from you, and we will support you. We will send mail to your every users per week by changing the new password. We keep your data very safely. Most organizations accept default easy to remember password. Like here, my name is Ritesh. I will write Ritesh123. Okay, and the hackers knows that trick. They have a list of a simple password in their dictionary. They just try and they can theft your data. So we are there to give you the maximum security possible. In some cases, the setup wizard will promote the user to change the default password to the strong password. Okay, in some cases are there, but that setup is very costly. Here we will provide you the best solution. There are several options in configuring the type of level wireless encryption or a level of a security. Better to select the stronger or more secure option, because open virus networks exposed to the outside environment and can attract many of hackers that they can theft your data. There are many viruses, many things are happening everywhere in the world. Many new viruses in the IT are not new for you. You might heard many big losses have been done to many big companies, just they are not ensuring the proper IT support. Okay, so fourth one is enable users. This is the fourth step and also a good crucial step. Once the router is configured properly, there is a series of small but equally important steps required to enable VPN functionality. Follow instruction in your router's usual manners to enable VPN functionality. This is done through the software setting. In the router, software setting enables the remote management. Okay, so these are four basic steps. Now we will go to fifth step, that is connect. Now this is the final step. Here you can connect from your home computer to the office server network. Here how to do that using both Mac and Windows computers. For the Mac, choose Apple menu, go to System Preference and then click Network. Plus click then Add button at the bottom of your network setting and then choose VPN from the interference pop-up menu. These are some technical things or technical process you need to follow for the Mac. Same like to the Windows, go to the control panel, network and sharing, create a connection, then choose a VPN and enter an IP address. You might be know that in Windows the IP address is required everywhere. So IP address is the key thing, and if you disclose IP address to the environment, to the global environment, any hacker can hack your system if you don't provide good firewall or don't provide good antivirus system to your processes. So that are now the crucial things in the market. Everybody is carrying the data. If 1 MB data lost from your setup, it cost you more than 10% of your revenue. It can cost. So it's always better, we suggest, and we also suggest to our customer to use maximum security level firewall and antivirus, a good antivirus. Here is a graphical view to elaborate to you more and more about this IT technique. So you are looking here, you might be seeing that there is a one person just sitting very relaxed on the chair and playing any videos or playing any data on his mobile phone. Unfortunately, he don't know that or he might have known that it could be very dangerous if he is using his mobile phone for official purpose. Many hackers are operating in this environment. Okay, so there are big chances of losing the data. Okay, to control that, to control everything, just see this image. You are seeing the firewall on left hand side, you are seeing the mobile user on right hand side, and in between that there is a tunnel. So we IT solution providers are working in this tunnel. So ERS technology provides you a maximum support, a 24/7 support. It enables you to fill this gap in between firewall and your mobile users. How? Let us see. There is one data center on bottom side, and there is n number of users. They are working might be into your offices, okay, or your home office. Many things can be done. So mobile user is, for example, owner, and owner is traveling to another country or another city. Okay, so he want to see what their staff is doing at this stage. So he will connect. He will first step, what he'll do, he will connect to the internet, and what their staff will do, they also connect to the internet. If we skip a firewall, a good firewall, then what we'll do, it both can connect to internet directly and both can work remotely. Yes, it can be done, but ultimately there are 99% of chances are there that some hacker or some intermediate person can take out your whole data and corrupt your system. To avoid that, we will install the firewall into the system. Good firewall we will suggest to maybe a license or a periodical renewal firewall we will suggest to our clients. Then same time we will ensure your proper working of a data center. So that two steps are really important and rarely matters of every IT service provider company. Okay, so ERS technology is solely depending on our consulting, what we consult, our team or our clients always likes or always appreciates. And the implementation is very important. Consulting is another part and implementation is another part. So implementation, if you do properly, there are chances of future complex fundamentals or complex fights in between your clients and you, or you and us, can be avoided. So one type good implementation can result the big achievement of your IT solutions for your office. Okay, so moving to the last slide, that is the image of start work from home like a champ. I am just focusing on a champ because everyone would like to work from home. If only a champ is a person who will be now working from the home in a very secured manner. He's just sitting back and relax, just giving the contract to the IT service provider group, and he would be focusing on his day-to-day activity rather to worried about the security levels. So just give us a call on a number mentioned earlier, that is 9766 343822 for any sales related inquiry. We then study your project, study your requirement, and accordingly we will proceed. These are our two offices. One office is at Saket Society, Kasbapet, Pune. Second one is in Chinswad, Ahir Nagar. That's for today. We definitely want to know any projects or any implementation or any consulting or any solutions from your side. Just keep easy, sit relax, and enjoy your work from home conditions. Thank you. Goodbye.